Hi, so today's video I want to try some of the popular hairstyles with braids, what I find on Pinterest. So if you want to know how I create them, then keep on watching, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. So now let's start with the easiest one, and here is the hairstyle. It's a very popular look, just a basic two side front braids, and that's pretty much it. So first I'm going to brush my hair, of course. I'm using this Tangle teezer wet detangler hairbrush, which is a large size. And now I'm going to do a middle part. And after I take these two front piece, for a complete look, I just wanna straighten this front hair. But then I just realized I do not have place to plug my irons, so I don't know what to do. And I take another two bigger piece on the front. And I start to braiding my hair on both sides. For this I have this huge package of hairbands from Amazon. And then I just put some wax on my flyaways. I have so many baby hairs. It's not even a baby hair. It's really crazy. But anyways, this is the final look. It was super easy. Of course, hers looks better, but I really enjoyed this one. So now I just finished with the first look. Now I am going to do another look from this hairstyle. So here is the hairstyle. As you can see, it's very similar to the first look, but she has two backside bubble braids, which is again very trendy. So from this starting point, I'm going to do a two section on the top of my head, and then I do a two ponytail. Just you need some gas on. And then I take a little strength of hair from the ponytail and then just wrap it around the ponytail to hide the rubber band, and it will help to keep higher the ponytail. So yeah. And after I start to add these rubber bands to my ponytail and I leave space between them. And for the final look, I just pull the hair out a little bit to make them more rounder, like a bubble. And that's it, here is the final hairstyle. It's very cute, I really like it. So on to the next one. The third hairstyle is going to be a hair bun hairstyle with a same kind of front braids. So first I'm going to do a 2 triangle section for the braids. Let me get in those drawers. By roll in the corner store. They hear all them claps with a round of applause. Split your back and your lung on the floor. And when it's done, I just want to do a quite tight, sleek ponytail. For this, I'm using this Got To Be glue cream. It will help to hold down my flyaways, which again, I have a lot, as you can see. So on the picture she have a 2 space bun, but I'm just doing a 1 high bun on the middle. And the next step is to slay down my edge, like you know, the baby hairs. Split at your back and you taking a nap. No hard to be pumping your body, relax. You talk to me dumb and that's how I react. One arm in the air like I'm waving a cap. The 9 is a bitch, she making it clap. I'm pumping the fifth like I'm giving a dap. Be ready to scrap when you talk to the trap. You are now talking to a boss. New bank still around in a Porsche. 2 down for the bird they toss. White those teeth, no floss. Young trap love like dogs. Too big in the grip, no drops. She's rocking that mic with a jaw. I thought that bitch Nicki Minaj. She pop up pill, no call. When shit get real, she spot. She my bitch. Spark that light, do you niggas see? Get in here in the foreign cars. Get the head in the foreign cars. So for a final look, I'm going to curl the ends of my braids. For this, I'm using a flat iron, and also I just find this random old pencil to create a curl. And of course, I try to not burn myself or hold it too long.
back, spray it at him, then reload. I'm giving a Mac and you under attack. Spit at your back and you taking a nap. No hard to be pumping, your body relax. You talk to me dumb and that's how I react. One arm in the air like I'm waving a cat. Then now there's a bitch, she making it clap. I'm pumping the fifth like I'm giving a dap. Be ready to scrap when you talk to the trap.
So here is the final look, but something is missing, so I just wanna add some earrings, like similar earrings what she had.
She's rocking that mic with a jaw. I throw that bitch Nicki Minaj. She pop up pill, no call. When shit get real, she spark. She my bitch is spark. Spark that light, do you niggas see?
So yeah, here is the real final look. I got already tired of these three hairstyles, but I will not going to finish this video without the fourth look, which is going to be a rubber band hairstyles with braids, of course. It seems very simple and it's actually a TikTok video, but I find this on Pinterest because I do not have TikTok. So first she did a 2 triangle section situation for the front. After she used a blue rubber band, but I don't have, so I just use my colorful rubber bands. I choose the pink color. So as you can see, I just did my first front ponytail, and for the last section I just tied them together into a ponytail. And then after she did 2 braids and tied the braids together under the chin, and lastly put the braids back. And that's it for me. For the last step she used these little hair clips, but again I do not have these, so I have to skip that part. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and let me know which one was your favorite hairstyle, and thank you for watching and see you in the next one.